Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to understand the difference between the free version and the pro version of Canva. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now let's learn about the plans. If I go in plans and pricing, you can click on it directly or you can just browse it. If I click on compare pricing, I will get all the details right here. Free version is totally free, but you will get 250,000 free templates, 100 plus design types, and 5 GB of cloud storage. And you can invite your team members and stuff. But this has very limited functions. If you want to use some stock photos, stock templates, stock designs basically. But if you are a designer and you are using completely for your own designs and you have the picture collection and icons collection, you don't need to subscribe for the pro version. But for pro version, it comes with a lot of facilities. Like you already have the scheduled social media content to 8 platforms. You can resize indefinitely by magic resizer. Some additional tools are there. The color schemes, logos, fonts options are great. And it has the pricing of $54.99 per year, and it can be used for up to 5 people. So that is great. If you talk about per month charges, it's only 6.49, so you can subscribe for that as well. So if we talk about the difference, it is huge. Once we get started with it, you will feel that difference, that a lot of posts, a lot of templates, a lot of icons, shapes are available just in the pro version. So only the basic templates are available in the free version. So the major difference you can say is in this area. In this version, the free version, you are getting 100 plus design types. And in the pro version, you are getting 100 million premium stock photos, videos, and audio and graphics. Similarly, if we talk about the templates, 610,000 plus premium and free templates are available. So if you're a designer, and even if you're a marketer that is using the Canva to design their regular post or marketing post on Facebook, then I recommend you to definitely go for pro version. It has a lot of features. So for this training, there is no harm to go with the free version because you can always upgrade later on, and the most of the functions that we will be discussing is available in the free version as well, because the functionality will remain the same, right? So this is the basic difference between the pro version and the free version in Canva. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.